Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News, and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
Ogweru is under Fulani siege again. Ogweru is a town, a community in Ugele North local government. It's precisely situated on the road to Patani, between Bomodi Patani and Erini and Ugele. They have very fertile grounds, and they plant cassava, they plant potato, and they do fishing. This is their main means of livelihood. But every year, the Fulani herdsmen, Fulani bandits, they come into Ogweru to destroy crop. If they were just coming to eat grass as usual, there's no problem. But when they come in, they eat the potato leaves, they root the cassava, they eat the cassava, eat the groundnut, and then rape the women and sometimes kill. So now some communities have been deserted in Ogweru. Like other community that used to have a primary school have been deserted. Already deserted. Then our community in Urede has also been deserted because these Fulani men are merciless. A few days ago, 3 police officers were killed and their guns seized by these bandits. What else can we do in this nation? If a whole community can be sacked with impunity, now these people are going to face terrible hunger. There's going to be famine in the land because these people did not go to their farms any longer. It will cause destitution. It will cause other problems, malnutrition in the town. The federal government should come to their rescue. The state government and the federal government, Delta state government and federal government, they should immediately send soldiers to dislodge these people. Not only dislodging them, because the planting season is almost over, let them send relief to this community. This community is one of the bread baskets of Ugele local government area. Food is taken from Gweru to Ugele to Wari to everywhere. Now, if this happens, think about the devastation. That's why I am appealing to the state government and the federal government of Nigeria to bring security forces to dislodge these herdsmen. Not only dislodging them, and also to provide relief for these people, these rural people, peace-loving people, who do not carry arms and are being killed innocently, their wives are being raped, and community being deserted. They are calling for help. Let the authorities come to their aid. Please share this, like it, and watch Highway Television.
Dubai with Ethiopia Airline, going to Abuja, coming to Abuja, and that was 2022 November, 6th November 2022.
Okay.
And when I get to Addis Ababa, my flight is supposed to continue the next morning to Abuja, and the airline staff, they forced me not to stay inside the airport and take us out of, there are so many other passengers, different destinations, and took us to the hotel without immigration, without custom. And in the morning when I coming out, they collected my money, $80,000. Give me 10,000, collect 70,000, I should go. I refuse. At the end, they insist that they're not going to give me the money. Then I refuse to go. So after all the arguments, they now take me to their senior officer. I told them the whole thing. They say, yeah, it's a mistake from the airline that they did not give me a form of declaration, and they didn't pass me through there. That can happen. They should release the money. They release the money. I want to go. They start speaking their language. After speaking their language, they collected the money back and give me 10 and say I should go. I say no. If you really want to take this money, let's do proper documentation about this money. So we went and do the proper documentation. After doing the proper documentation, to know the office that collected the money and get a receipt of the money. So they get angry, they seize the money and take me to police station. After taking me to police station, I make a statement. After then, they accusing me of collecting money from Addis Ababa, smuggling it to Nigeria. I said that was my destination. I was coming from Dubai, not from Addis Ababa. So they said they have to approve, they confirm from the airline. It took them 21 days to go to the airline. Why the police station in question is inside the airport and the airline is staying inside the airport. So they refused to go and meet the airline. And after 21 days, the airline went and come back with the forged documents that they give me a form of declaration. Then I said that I don't have such amount. So I told them that it's a forged document because they went and bring a registered note where our ticket wrote to confirm for the getting the hotel. They make copy and paste like as if they're giving us form of declaration. So I tell the police they should bring this to court. So when they close the case, they bring it to prosecutor on 38 days of staying there. So when they wait to the court decide that this is a forged document and they withdraw the case, ask them to return my money. Since then, I'm not receiving my money. I've been going up and down. I've registered the case in Nigerian Embassy, Ethiopia Embassy, Nigerian Foreign Affairs, Ethiopia Foreign Affairs. Last year, they called me to collect my account, that they will return my money. Since July, 14th of July, I have not received the money. This case is being in the Foreign Affairs. This case also been in Aviation Minister. This case also in Minister of Justice. This case has been also anchored in Berekete family 4 times. You can go there and search and see 40 days agony in Ethiopia. You will hear the whole details because I'm making it short. So right now, I came to the embassy to do the second protest here. I've done 10 protests in the Ethiopian airline. I'm in the Ethiopian embassy now doing the protest to get my money. Since the government doesn't want to do anything about that, I'm going to fight for my money and for my rights. That's why I'm here.
Okay, thank you very much. It's quite a pity. And you have just said that you have reported to some of the government agencies and nothing is coming out of it.
Yes, sir.
I want to use this medium to call upon the Nigerians, the government officials, those concerned, to look into this case and make sure that justice is brought to
and there are 250 Nigerians
him.
have the similar case in Ethiopia. They should also review their matter, sir.
Because I know that if you are an American people will come and fight for you. Even if it's the Ethiopian that have this predicament, the Ethiopian government will come and fight for him.
Yes, sir.
So we call upon Nigerian government, please come and look into this case and ensure that justice is brought to him. What's your name again?
My name is Francis Chukwumauzo.
Francis Chukwumauzo, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
I will send this video to all the groups.
Send the tag. If you see this video, tag it. I'm live in Ethiopia Embassy in Abuja. So you can channel television, BBC, Africa.
Once again, you say you're from Anambra State?
I'm from Anambra State, Okuzu.
Okay, Okuzu. And maybe we should talk to the governor through your local government. I know that your local government chairman is from Okuzu too. Yes. I think your local government chairman is from Okuzu too. We will send this video to him to enable him send to the governor of Anambra State. Perhaps we will talk to the presidency to see how your problem will be solved.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, and I know that justice will come to you in Jesus' name.
Thank you, sir.
I still remain as your mother. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Yeah.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.